Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Ms. Gulshanara. Listen girls, in previous lecture we have done short question answers, and now in this lecture we have to do long question answers. So write down the heading of long question answers on new page. Write down the heading of long question answers on new page. Question number 1. How do houseflies and mosquitoes spread diseases? How do houseflies and mosquitoes spread diseases? Question mark. List 3 ways to prevent them. List 3 ways to prevent them. Full stop. Now start writing the answer. Write down the heading. Spread of diseases through houseflies. Spread of diseases through houseflies. Now start writing paragraph. Housefly is an agent of many foodborne diseases. Housefly is an agent of many foodborne diseases. Full stop. It sits on garbage and excreta. It sits on garbage and excreta and carries disease-causing pathogens and carries disease-causing pathogens with it. Full stop. When this housefly sits over uncovered food, when this housefly sits over uncovered food, fruits, vegetables, vegetables and other eatables are transferred to the food. Full stop. When a healthy person consumes such contaminated food, the pathogens enter the body, making the person sick. Now write down the heading of spread of diseases through mosquitoes. Spread of diseases through mosquitoes. It is the heading. Mosquitoes can transmit diseases from one human to another. Full stop. Typically the diseases caused by viruses or tiny parasites. Full stop. For example, a mosquito that bites an infected human or animal can pick up a virus along with the blood meal. Full stop. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Full stop. The female Anopheles mosquito carries the malaria causing parasite, carries the malaria causing parasite. Now the next heading is 3 ways to prevent from houseflies and mosquitoes. 3 ways to prevent from houseflies and mosquitoes. Write down number 1. Food and drinking water should be covered. Food and drinking water should be covered. Number 2. We should not let water collect in coolers, tires, flower pots, etc. Number 3rd point. Throw garbage far from the living area and covered dustbins should be used in homes. Now write down question number 2. Question number 2 is define food poisoning. Full stop. How is it caused? Question mark. Answer. Write down the heading food poisoning. Now start writing the paragraph. Microorganisms produce toxic substances that makes the food poisonous and unfit for eating. Question mark. Full stop. If eaten, it can cause serious problems and sometimes even death. Full stop. The health problem caused by eating spoiled food items is called food poisoning. Full stop. The next heading is causes of food poisoning. Number 1 point. Warmth, moisture and air. Moisture and air causes the food poisoning. Number 2 point. Food poisoning caused by eating contaminated food. 3rd point. Food poisoning caused due to the improper sanitation. Now write down question number 3. Question number 3 is write any three ways in which microorganisms are useful to us and any two ways in which they are harmful. Now write down the heading and answer. Useful microorganisms. Microorganisms are useful to human beings. In many different ways. Number 1, uses in food items. Write down the heading. Uses in food items. A point. When a small amount of curd is mixed into warm milk and kept aside for a few hours, the lactobacillus multiplying in the milk and changes into curd. B point. Cheese and paneer are prepared by using the bacteria Lactobacillus and Streptococcus. C point. To make bread, flour, salt. Flour, salt, sugar and yeast cells are needed. KNEADED. Needed into dough using water. Needed into dough using water. Full stop. Yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration that makes the bread porous and spongy. Now the number 2, uses in medicines. A. Certain bacteria and fungi are used to produce antibiotics. For example, streptomycin, erythromycin, etc. Streptomycin, erythromycin, etc. B point. Vaccines are produced by disease causing microbes against several infectious diseases, against several infectious diseases such as polio, comma, tuberculosis, etc. C point. Fungi like yeast is used in the preparation of medicines such as vitamin B complex, D point. Bacteria are also used to produce insulin, a hormone used to treat diabetes. Now the third point. Increase soil fertility. Some microbes, such as blue-green algae, and rhizobium bacteria fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich the soil with nitrogen, and some bacteria and fungi act on the remains of dead plants and animals and animal waste to decompose them and increase soil fertility. Now the next heading is harmful microorganisms. Start writing the paragraph. Many microorganisms are harmful to human beings, animals and plants. The number one is heading is disease causing microorganisms. Start writing the paragraph. Virus, bacteria and fungi causes many different diseases in human beings such as chickenpox, typhoid, tuberculosis, etc. Full stop. In animals, anthrax, foot and mouth disease, etc. are the diseases caused by viruses and bacteria and bacteria. Full stop. In plants, bacteria, fungi and virus. In plants, bacteria, fungi and virus causes diseases such as blight, blast, rust, etc. Now the second heading is food spoiling microorganisms. Start writing the paragraph. Microorganisms produces toxic substances. To make the food poisonous, and unfit for eating. Full stop. If eaten, comma, it can cause serious problems and sometimes even death. Now girls, we have done 3 long question answers and 3 long question answers are left. So long question answers will be continue in the next lecture, and you have to learn these question answers thoroughly. When the schools will be open, I will take the test of this chapter. Thank you girls. Thank you so much.